Access to the facility is strictly controlled. Every shift worker must clear the biometric scanning and metal detection gates before entering the production area.
Here at the UK Mint, we start with these simple metal blanks. We then feed them into these presses to create the finished British coins you see here.
The massive rollers apply immense pressure, preparing the metal sheets for the next stage of production.
These British coin blanks are rapidly moving along the conveyor system. The sensors meticulously count each one before they are transported for heating.
As the blanks exit the washing system, they are inspected by the team. Sensors meticulously verify cleanliness.
pH levels are holding steady at 4.2. Good, we need to maintain that consistency for the brass blanks. Count on tray 3 is slightly off.
It registered correctly on the sensor. Check the calibration log.
See the watermark there, consistent across the batch. Yes, and the security thread is perfectly embedded.
This high-precision system scans for imperfections across the entire sheet.
We have a failure here on the watermark alignment.
The final inspection stage is crucial for British banknotes. High-resolution cameras verify the serial numbers.
This conveyor stage is critical, ensuring every perfectly aligned banknote meets the stringent quality standards before release.
At this stage, the newly printed notes are precisely counted and strapped into uniform bundles, ready for the final packaging phase.
Keep them tight to the left. Okay, moving the next stack now. Watch the seal on that one.
Keep the line moving slowly.
The next truck is ready for loading bay 2.
Clearance confirmed. Gate opening. Proceed to bay 3.
The day's shipment of British banknotes arrives at the central clearing facility under heavy guard.
Here's the payment. Thank you. 20, 40, 60. All correct.
Here is your change. 10, 12, 13, 14 pounds 50.
Thank you very much.